This is an emergency alert issued by the Government of Canada. Effective immediately, a national food supply emergency has been declared. At approximately 09:42 a.m. Eastern Time, reports confirm that Internet personality Caseoh has consumed 100% of the nation's poutine supply. Current status: all known poutine reserve is depleted. Cheese curd stockpiles empty. Gravy production facilities non-operational. Fry stations nationwide inactive. Witnesses across multiple provinces reported sightings of Caseoh entering restaurants, diners, and homes at an abnormal pace. Within minutes, entire inventories of poutine were consumed. Authorities confirm this event is ongoing and uncontainable. The Canadian Food Emergency Task Force is working with national and international partners to restore poutine production. However, officials warn recovery may take weeks to months. Canadians are to remain calm as we solve